Hello again. We need to fix something today. I'm talking about a mini drone. It's an iDrone. It belongs to a student of mine. He's like 7 years old anyway. He was really sad. He came and said, you see, my drone is not charging anymore. So let's take a look and let's see if we can fix it. First of all, I'm not a professional. You know, I'm not fixing things for a living. I'm fixing things for friends, relatives, and of course, people around me. So don't take it word by word, you know. I'm trying to do the best I can to make this little guy happy again. Let's open it up. But first of all, let's take a look around. You know, that little door keeping the battery inside, it's broken. I don't think I can fix the lock, but we'll put some rubber band or something. That's why it's not charging, because I can see the connector micro USB, it's gone. So probably my little friend pushed it too much, you know, and just displaced the connector from the main board. It's time to get a screwdriver. Let's see if we can work with this one. We have like 8 screws, 8 little screws. Let's take them out. And I believe I need another screwdriver for having those screws near the motors. I can't reach them with this one. You know what's funny? I don't have a screwdriver to fit inside there, so like usually I have to improvise something. So I'm gonna file. So let me have my Swiss Army knife, take out the file, and okay, that's it. So I will make, you know, the tip a little bit smaller to fit inside the screw. Improvising, the art of improvisation. All right, so the screws are out. Okay, we got the top. Let's disconnect the battery. 300 milliamps, 3.7 volts. So let's check the battery. It's pretty sure that it's over depleted. Okay, now let's see about the charging port, which I'm afraid it's gone. Another 4 small screws. Such a small motors. Interesting, very interesting. Nice little thingings. Okay, the screws are out. Let's see. The moment of truth. Wow. It's smashed. It's smashed. Okay, so the microscope, it's on. Let's take a look at the connector. Luckily, the pins are still there. So we don't care about those 3 in the middle. We need those extremities, you know, the plus and minus. So it's very possible to have a connection again simply by soldering plus minus back on the board. But let's take a look at the board. So yes, somehow it fits back to the board. I'm gonna use some glue or something provisory, you know, and then just soldering the pins back to the PCB, and eventually some hot glue or something to keep everything steady in place. Okay, so far I have the diagnosis. So unfortunately the pad here it's smashed, but we still have access to these 2 contacts. What about a bit of super glue? First, just to keep this in place. Assuring a kind of contact now before applying the soldering here and here. Okay, So here we are dealing with some micro soldering. In fact, I don't have a tip so small and so thin. That's why I'm gonna try to improvise something. You'll see that in a second, using some copper wire. And first, let's make it seen with a file. Yes, I believe I can. That should be fine. Now I have to clean the tip. This goes somehow all around. Oh, it's awful. Not anymore. Power supply, 18 volts, 365 degrees or something. Let's see. What do you think about this? It's nice and clean. Maybe I should use the microscope, but let me try first like that, simply. Yeah, rosin, it's always good. This one, it's okay. And that one, it's okay. Okay, I think we are good. Let's give a try. No LED, no sign of anything. Nothing. Oh no, we have some LEDs here. Let me see if we have any voltage present to the battery. Absolutely nothing. How comes? No way. Let's clean that a little. I'm pretty sure both of them are very well soldered there. And still nothing. Maybe because the battery is so gone. Probably yes. Let's check it with the microscope. That one, it's very good. And 1, 2, 3, and that one too. Nothing more to do, but let's push some more. It's very clear, very nice solder, very nice soldering. Properly done. No problemos. This one, same. Absolutely. No. Look there, it's absolutely. Of course. Perfect. Let's check the battery again. Nothing. How comes? It's impossible. Something wrong with my meter? No way. Absolutely no. Nada. Shall we push some current here? Let's do that. 400 milliamps. And this is plus. The red one, it's always plus. Let's see. Do we have any movement here? Okay. Yes, I got something there. Almost 1 amp. Okay, let's see. 10 amps here. Let's do that by the meter. So I'm having 4.79 volts, and let's see about this guy. 1 amp. Oh yes, so it's taking 1 amp. Let's charge a bit. Does it going down? Yeah, that means it's charging. 43, 42, and up again. That's not good. We should see dropping. Let's check the voltage. First of all, the power supply 4.8 volts, and the battery, yes, 3.51. Yes, people, we have a little bit of current in the battery. Let's push it some more. It was 0. How can be 0? Doesn't have a BMS. Charging and charging. We should see the voltage rising. Yeah, and it's rising. Let's see if it's charging, and then we'll talk about the mechanical approach. Okay, that's enough. Maybe we should give a try. Let's check the voltage now. 3.77. That should be enough. We should see some signs. Any LED? Yeah, we have a blue one running. Okay, what about some charging light? I'm afraid to push it. Yes, it's working. Okay, so that's the end of part 1. The battery, it's charging. The connection, it's back. The mini USB, micro USB connector, it's back on the PCB. Kind of provisory solution, of course. Part 2 about the mechanical approach, how to fix the port inside the case. Thank you for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like always, thanks to my sponsor, Radu G, Vlad from Amphia Records, and of course, Jack from States. In the meantime, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.